Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment. This is a commercial style attachment that has dicing, slicing, shredding, and Julienne discs. So hopefully this attachment will make my food preservation projects and food prep processing so much faster. So if you checked out one of my other unboxing videos, I did one on my Ninja Pro food processor. My old reliable Black & Decker food processor was starting to show signs of wear. It is still working for me and I really enjoy using it. You can check it out in action in my zucchini salsa video. But I wanted something that had a little bit larger capacity, and the Ninja Pro food processor had an adjustable slicing disc, and it works really nicely to just press one button. It has a smart programming. So if you check out my roasted tomato guajillo salsa video, you'll see you can press one button and it makes a really smooth puree. One thing I don't care about that food processor is it has the safety mechanism, which I completely understand, but you have to cut down whatever food item you're going to be processing to a designated size in order for it to fit in the chute for the food processor to even run. And that just kind of slows the whole process down. So I wanted to find a food processor attachment that had a really large capacity, or even better, I could just stick a large bowl under it and get to work. And this KitchenAid Stand Mixer attachment I think will be the perfect solution for preparing my food in a really efficient and fast way when I'm doing really large projects. So let's get this box opened and see what we have inside. So right on the top of the box it shows what's included. We have our stand mixer attachment, the plunger that goes down and pushes the food down the chute. We have various slicing, shredding, Julienne, and dicing attachments, and this comes with a carrying case for all of the different discs. So, open the box here. And it looks like all of the attachments are already contained inside of the included case. So let me just get everything out of the box and then we'll go over it. Okay, so here we have all of the items removed from the box. So we have the food processor attachment base, and it attaches to the KitchenAid stand mixer with this metal post here, much like all of the other attachments attached to the stand mixer. It has an adjustment lever off to the side here, and that will work because this also comes with an adjustable slicing disc. So we also have our user manual, our registration card, and a couple quick start guides for dicing and chopping. I'll set those off to the side. Here we have the food processor attachment lid, as well as the chute plunger. It has a large plunger as well as a smaller one. Then here we have the attachment case that comes included with this set. All of the items are in here already. So you just slide this lever to the left and it opens up. And all of the different blade and attachment pieces have diagrams to show where they go inside of this case, which is pretty handy. So first we have the dicing disc, and it is labeled on here as well. And this is the dicing disc blade, which sits to the front. And then this little attachment is for cleaning out your dicing disc. It slides right into there and you can push any food particles out of there and get it into the prep bowl that you're using. Then we have our Julienne disc, so we can Julienne items. And then we have a reversible fine and medium shredding disc, so you can flip it either side for which one you want to use for your shredding, then here's the adjustable slicing disc. So the adjustable slicing disc, as well as the Julienne disc, will use this little adapter here. And the manual shows you how to do that. But it's nice that it has all the different attachments all contained in this little container, and that'll be very space saving for when we need to store this away. So I'm really looking forward to trying out this new KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment. Again, this is the commercial style, item number KSM2FPA. So this has the dicing and all the different added attachments. There's a different one that's a little bit more minimalist and that has just slicing and shredding to my knowledge. But I'm really looking forward to using this food processor attachment for when I have really big projects for food preservation, and if I want to slice or dice or shred a really large amount of a food item. Hopefully this will make the process go really quickly. And all things considered, this is a pretty small amount of equipment to store away for all the different things that it can do. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I'm glad I finally purchased this. I've had this kind of in the back of my mind for quite a while, and I went with the standalone food processor, which I enjoy using, but I'm really looking forward to trying this one with my KitchenAid Stand Mixer. So if you have any family members that enjoy cooking or are into the food preservation, or maybe just getting into canning and food preservation, this might be a really nice gift idea for them as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video today and checking out what is included and the different features for this product. And I'm sure down the road you'll see me using this product in some of my videos. Well, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoyed this or any other videos that you check out, please give them a thumbs up. I hope you're having a fantastic day. See you next time. Take care.